What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And today, guys, we got another package for you. 3 in one day? What? No, bro. We have 4. We have 4, but 2 of them are already uploaded to YouTube. So let's find out what this package is, shall we? Oops. Come on. Come on. Open up. We have let's go. Let's go. We have All In AEW from August 25th, 2024. And what we actually have, speaking of that, I was going to use AEW, Double or Nothing as an example, but we have, a match listing here. Here on AEW All In, we have pictures, match listings. So that's pretty cool. We have the casino gauntlet match. We have title versus career. I'm going to watch this right after Raw's over, I think. If there's time, at least. But yeah, you had Bryan Danielson versus Swerve Strickland for the AEW World Title. The Final Countdown title versus career. Toni Storm versus Myra May. MJF versus Will Ospreay. AEW World Tag Team titles, the acclaimed FTR Young Bucks. The Coffin match for the TNT title, Jack Perry versus Darby Allin. AEW World Trios match. Yeah. So, and then here's the inside. Just blue, and it's like, it's like very creepy too. Brand new. Let's go. I cannot wait to watch the title versus career match. I heard it's fantastic. Also, we have Chris Jericho versus Hook. The Coffin match, like I said. Mercedes Moné versus Britt Baker. MJF versus Will Ospreay for the AEW American Championship or the International Championship. But here where MJF won it. You also have the 0 Hour 16-man tag. That's a lot of names. My God. You also have Sammy Guevara, Dustin Rhodes, the Von Erichs versus the Cage of Amnesty and the United Kingdom. The Undisputed Kingdom, my bad. But yes, we have the spine here. And then we have the back again. So that's pretty cool. And then, as a little treat, you have the Final Countdown title versus career right here. I cannot wait to watch this, guys. This and All Out are on my bucket list to watch. So, and also, when the hell is AEW going to put on more pay-per-views from 2020, 2021, and 2022? Because I still need to watch All Out from 2023, actually. So 2021, 2020, stop. 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023. When are they going to put that out? Come on, AEW. Don't be a slowpoke as your product. Come on. So AEW All in London, August 25th, 2024. I cannot wait to watch this, and I still can't believe we get a match listing, but with photos this time. So we got Christian Cage and the Patriarchy. We got the Bang Bang Gang, House of Black, and Pac, Wheeler Yuta, and Claudio Castagnoli. I don't even see Jon Moxley on here. Was Jon Moxley in the Casino Battle Royal, probably? Probably. So we got All In London. So please, guys, all you guys have to do right now is let me in on your YouTube subscription boxes, on your phones, on your computers, on your tablets, on your PS4s, wherever in the world you guys get YouTube. I want to be in that subscription box. Yeah. And the only way to do that is to hit and smash that subscribe button right here. Please leave your comments in the comment section down below. What did you think of All in London if you guys got to watch it? And please follow the YouTube buzzards. Yeah, All In, when I watch it, will be absolutely wonderful. So guys, this is my Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And I'm out. Peace.